First, the CPU. Grab the AMD Ryzen 5 5600. It's got 6 cores and excellent performance for gaming. Pair it with a B550 motherboard. Affordable and future-proof. Next, 16GB of DDR4 RAM at 3200 speed. Plenty for gaming and multitasking. For storage, a 500GB SSD, fast boot times, and enough space for your favorite games. Now, the star of the show, the AMD RX 6700 XT GPU. Great 2K performance without breaking the bank. Power it all with a 600 watts power supply. Make sure it's 80+ certified for efficiency. Don't forget a budget-friendly case. Good airflow and cable management are the key. All set. This build can handle the latest games at 1080p and 2K with ease. Build a great gaming PC without breaking the bank. Like and subscribe for more tips.